These are the blue Adidas men's Tricot track pants. These are really great pants. Very happy with these. I have these in several different colors. Very, very pleased. And these have the open hem at the bottom. Some of them have tapered ankles. These have the open hem, so these are a little bit looser at the bottom. Very nice color on this. It's like a dark blue with the white stripes. You'd see it as the new modern Adidas logo here. You'd see the drawstring is also on the outside. Some of the older ones, the drawstring was on the inside. But overall, I'm very pleased with this brand. I own a lot of different pairs of these in different colors, and they really hold up to washes and things like that. You get a lot of wear and tear out of them. They go through a lot of, just use them over and over again. They have different casual fits. You'd use them when you're working on something, working out, things like that. But these are just very versatile pants. I'm very happy with them. These definitely fit true to size. So whatever size you are, you could pretty much buy any color, any different pattern, and it's going to be the same fit across all of the Adidas pants. So that's why I really like these. You know exactly what you're getting. You know what to expect. But again, these are the men's Adidas Tricot 3-stripe pants in the dark blue. Highly recommend these.